Rockler's ProMax Fence is designed to make perfect dados, rabbets, and grooves in all of your workpieces with the ability to micro-adjust. This fence is a perfect alternative to a jointer and fits all of Rockler's router tables. The ProMax Fence comes with star knobs, jointer bars, a bid safety guard, T-bolts, and a hex key. Setting up the fence is simple. First, attach the bid safety guard to the outfeed fence. Also note that the ProMax Fence comes with different size bolts depending upon your router table. After selecting the two that best fit, secure them by threading them through the bottom of the fence, adding a washer and a star knob on top. Tightening these knobs secures the fence to the table. With two MDF adjustable faces that are designed to slide approximately 2 inches outward, however, the fence should be set as close as possible to the bit. The fences can be separated as much as 3 3/4 inches. To use the jointer bars, loosen the outfeed fence face with the hex key. Turn the bars 90 degrees and tighten the outfeed fence back. This will push the fence out about 1/32 of an inch. For some workpieces, zero clearance may be needed. This can be done by loosening the adjustable fence slightly with the hex key. The fences should be flush with the guide bearing of the bit and close but not touching. Tighten the outfeed fence and place the bit safety guard back on. To make micro adjustments, loosen the fence locking knob and move the fence forward or backward. When you move the micro adjustment knob, the fence will only move about half of what is shown on the indicator lines. Then tighten the fence back. Now let's test out some dados and rabbets. Remember to refer to the included instructions for additional tips and information. Whether you're making dados or rabbets, the ProMax Fence is the perfect addition for your router table.